Okay, so we're in Macau. We're in a street called Rua de Corte Real. So I think that's the Portuguese word. When I translate it, it's like the real cut. I don't know. Maybe it has some other meaning in Portuguese. But let me know. We're not too far from Kyungbu Hospital and really, really close. And this is just kind of a street that goes, it's kind of marked by all these, what do you call those? Cage apartments, I guess you'd call it. So that's going to be our target street. And we're going to show you the cross street as well. We're not too far from this sort of firehouse down here, this yellow building down that way. So that's the firehouse, and then right over here is Kyungbu Hospital as well. I'm just going to come on over here real quick, show you the street. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, Corte Real Street. So just to kind of give you some reference, you can see the yellow, that's a firehouse right there. It's too bad the bus is blocking it right now. It's not my intention to go down this particular street, but that's a nice museum with all the firehouse stuff. You'll be able to see it in a moment. Yeah, that one right there. It's kind of a nice golden color. So this Corte Real Street is near the firehouse, and it's near Kyungbu. So Kyungbu Hospital is right there. And our target street is going to be this one. So what we're going to do is walk on down. And basically what I'm kind of doing with this channel anyways is I'm basically documenting streets. So what they look like at this time at this moment in time. So it's 2023, sorry. So you can just kind of see the shops. And I think this street I think is kind of not too different than most of the other streets in this area as well. So they're all kind of marked by these types of apartments. And one of the things that you'll notice about these is I think this is probably 5 stories high. So we're going to take a look at that once we get up to the corner. And we're also going to see if we see anything that stands out a little bit. It's a restaurant. Hello. So let's just kind of take a look at this real quick. So we still kind of have the same types of streets, but then you can look at these ones right here. So this one you can see a ground floor, a Squid Game. Ground floor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then that up there is the illegal dwelling. So we're going to take a look at that in a moment. But that's kind of the structure of all these apartments in this way. So this will actually be the same down here as well. We're going to keep on walking, but we do have an interesting Squid Games one right here. Squid Games is so popular in the world. Looks like they have like Pokemon cards and different things like that. Squid Game. I remember walking by this right about the time that Squid Game came out, so I think they capitalized right away on the name, and it's a great name. Whoa! Check out this shop. That looks really cool. Okay. Looks amazing. It's actually this little corner right here with it's the Alameda Expectation Holiday Alameda. Actually, this little corner is kind of an interesting corner. So we're gonna keep on heading down. There's the shrine and our street. So I think this street has well, we're gonna see. I think it has like little things that we can catch. That we're gonna go around the sides in a second, and we'll see if we can see. Let's see if I can find them. But I think this one, the Corte Real, I think there's like little ways that we can navigate into a little thing. If I remember the street correctly, it might be down a little bit further. I'll see if I can see what I'm thinking about. Policia, oh, Policlinica. So we're still on our Target Street. Let me just see here. I think the street might end, and I'm gonna see. I think this, for some reason, I feel like this Corte Real, it turns. There's some kind of unique little thing around in here. If I don't see it, I'm gonna go in there. That's where all the used goods are at. Let me just walk in here real quick. Actually, one I was thinking of, I might not be able to. Anyway, it's not that important. Got a Philippine shop on the corner. So that's actually our Target Street right there. And you can see Kyungwoo directly above it. And I'm going to take this a little bit further into this other street. I think this is not Corte Real anymore, but we're going to see. I think this leads into this used goods market street. So we'll find out in a minute. Yeah, this is actually a different one. And this actually leads into this little market street. So this is Travessa dos Tingidores. But it's actually also where the base of our Target Street was at. And I'm just going to continue with it because this whole area has a lot of used goods, as you can see. So Corte Real leads into the used goods market. There's also a little bit of a... So yeah, that's kind of a nice tie-in. So this basically, this little market here, they'll just sell all these used things. And that's at the base of suitcases as well. So you basically got stuff kind of on all different sides. Thanks. Okay. So that was a little bit of a bonus, just being able to come over to the used goods market. I've filmed these many times. I think I've filmed all these streets at least a few times, targeting different ones. So anyways, that's Corte Real. Let me just kind of walk this way a little bit. They sell TVs here as well. So it's a good place to buy used TVs and also washing machines. So this kind of leads into more interesting stuff. But now we're kind of getting a little bit far away from our street. Actually, I'd kind of argue that our street wasn't really that interesting, but then it leads into some really interesting areas, so. Okay, so I guess we're gonna end it here, and now we're just kind of randomly on other streets with all kinds of really cool stuff. And I guess we'll end it right there. So our street was up that way a little bit. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la